Yeah, yo, what's up? What's up, guys? Mikey Gita is back again, and for today, I want to show you how to play uh, the minor chords. It has been a lot of question here and there, but I cannot play the minor chord. We have the major and the minor chords. Okay, so before we proceed, if this is the first time watching my video, I would sincerely like you to subscribe, hitting the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out anytime I drop a new video, because I'm going to drop new videos, new content that's going to help and enhance your playing as well. Okay, if you like this video, smash the like button. Okay, thank you very much for watching, guys. I really appreciate your comment if you find this video interesting. Okay, thanks guys for watching once more. So for today, I'm going to show you the 6, 3 and 2 chord. Okay, how to form them, how to create them. Okay, which is the La, Mi and Re for those that understand the alphabetical system. Okay, and the number system is a 6, 3 and 2 chord progression. Okay, so for today, I just want to show you how to create this chord, so you know them. By the next video, I'm going to show you how you can apply soloing, how you can apply them in music. Okay, so stay tuned, watch this video to the end. Don't skip any part of this video so you don't miss out anything I'm going to teach you now. Okay, so let's jump into the video right away. All right. Okay, for the sake of this lesson, I know many people are really familiar with the key of F. Okay? Okay? The first thing you need to know is you need to know that in a scale, in the major scale, we have the 7 notes, which is the Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do. Okay, the repeated Do again, okay, and we have the 3 major, a 3 minor note inside, which is the major is the Do, Fa, Sol, and the minor is the reading I'm doing today. Okay, the minor is the La, Mi, Re. Then the T is a diminished chord, of which I'm going to do that lesson in the next video. Okay, but for today, I want you to know how to form your La chord. Okay, most especially, there are a lot of people that have been asking me, how can I have this La? How can I form a La chord? Okay, how can I play on a La chord? Okay, but I'm going to show you through this video. Okay, how to form a La chord. It's very simple. Okay, at first you need to know your major scale, which is the Do. Okay, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do, Do, Ti, La, Sol, Fa, Mi, Re, Do, Do. Okay, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, Do, Ti, Do, Do, Ti, La, Sol, Fa, Mi, Re, Do. Okay, Do, Ti, La, Sol, Fa, Mi, Re, Do, Do. Okay, so at first you need to know your scale, your major scale, like I just played. Do, Ti, La, Sol, Fa, Mi, Re, Do. Okay, Do, Ti, La, Sol, Fa, Mi, Re, Do. Okay, you need to know this one first. Then, when you know your scale properly, and all your fretboard, you run it all your fretboard, you'll be able to play your La, Mi, Re chord in different places, different chord shape. Okay, in all the guitar fretboard, in this particular key of F, depending on the key you're playing on. Okay, but for today, I'm doing this in the key of F. Okay, so the first chord you need to know is a La chord, which is the 6th chord. How to form a La chord is the note that forms a La chord is Mi, La, Do. Okay, Mi, La, Do, Mi, Mi, La, Do, Mi. Okay, Mi, La, Do, Mi. So I'm going to take this close now so that you can see my fingers. But at first, this is your Mi, Do, Ti, La, Sol, Fa, Mi, 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 Mi. Okay, Mi. Then under this Mi now, you take your finger to the La. Okay, Mi, Mi, La, 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 Do, 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 Mi, Mi. Okay, So from here now, you can have your, from here now you can bar this plate. Then you start from your fifth string here, because this is do, la. Okay. So when you take your ring finger here to the mi, you take your pinky to the la under. Then you use your index in the do. Then you use your first finger here to bar from your la here. Okay. Okay, so the next chord there is mi chord. Okay, the mi chord, all what you will do is you just take your fingers up, then take your ring finger up, then take your pinky up again. Okay, take your pinky up again. That is your mi chord. So note that forms the mi chord is the mi, ti, mi, so, ti, mi. Okay. The note that forms the mi chord is the mi, ti, mi, okay, mi, ti, mi, so, mi, ti, mi, so, mi, ti, mi, so, so, okay. But you strum all the 6 strings, okay, from your mi here, because this is a do, ti, this is a ti here, this is a mi here, and this is the so. Okay, so you strum all the strings. Okay, so that is your mi chord. Now this is your re. Okay, note that forms the re chord is the re, la, fa. Okay, sorry, re, la, re, la, la, re, la, re, fa, la, re. Okay, you hold it the same shape you hold your mi chord here, because it's a minor chord. Okay, because it's a minor chord. So for those that understand it in the number system, okay, the number system, the what I'm trying to play there is this is do, di, la, la. The la now is in the key of D. It's in the key of D. So if you want to play, you play the D minor, okay? The D minor shape. Now going to your mi now. Your mi is in the key of A. Key of A. Okay, you play it a kind of a minor shape, because this is the original A, the major A. But when you remove this mi here, this finger here, you have a minor. Okay, going to your re now. Your re now is in the key of G. Okay, it's in the key of G. But since re is a minor note, okay, you play it a minor chord. Okay, instead of a major chord like this, you play it a minor chord. You remove this finger there, this mi now. Okay, so those are the basic chords you need to know. Okay. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss start any of my video each and every time I post a new video. Okay guys, so this is the basic lesson you need to know at first. So by next lesson I'm going to show you how to improvise them. Okay, thanks guys for watching and I love you.